Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Chrome on MacBook Pro. Downloading Chrome web browser on your MacBook Pro is a simple and a straightforward process. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the default web browser for your MacBook Pro, which is Safari. Once you open it up, go to the URL box at the top of the screen and then type in google.com/Chrome and search. You will then be taken to this official site for Chrome, from where you will need to click on this Download Chrome for Mac OS X or later option in the middle of the screen. Once you click on the download link, you will then be able to see this interface. Click on the Download Chrome button at the top right once again and click on Accept and Install. Now, your download should begin. Progress will now be shown at the top right where you can see the little download arrow. Now wait for the file to download on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. The download file will be called googlechrome.dmg. Once the file has been downloaded, you can now simply click on it and open it up. Now, drag the Google Chrome icon to your application folder just like that, and then soon after you do that, you will then be able to download Google Chrome on your MacBook Pro. You can now go ahead and click on Google Chrome options and you will now be able to download and install Google Chrome on your device. You can now launch it from your application folder or your dock. So that is how you can easily download Google Chrome on MacBook Pro. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.